Family offices face a unique set of accounting challenges. The sheer volume of data, the complexity of investments, and the demand for real-time insights can be overwhelming. These complexities often lead to inefficiencies, errors, and delayed decision-making. But what if there was a solution that could simplify this complex puzzle?
Sage Intacct's dimensions offer a powerful framework to organize and analyze your financial data, transforming it into actionable insights. By leveraging dimensions, you can streamline your operations, improve accuracy, and gain a competitive edge. Hi, I'm Ann Costello, Managing Consultant at CrossCountry Consulting in the Sage Intacct practice.
And I'm Jared Hand, also a managing consultant within our Sage Intacct practice.
We'd like to introduce you to Sage Intacct's dimensions to help you look at your reporting in your family office. If you're in the family office space, you've heard the phrase, if you've seen one family office, you've seen one family office. Yes, everyone is different, but they all seem to track the same things. They track their family members, trusts, and foundations. They own hard assets and investments. Just like any business, they pay bills to their vendors and employees, and they receive funds as well. They also have mortgages, lines of credit, capital calls, management fees, you name it. So let's take a look at how Sage Intacct chart of accounts and dimensions can help track that. At the center of Sage Intacct is its flexible chart of accounts that is used for all entities across the platform. So you have your who, vendors, customers, employees. Not all of our family offices use customers. You have the what, items, projects, class, and even a user-defined dimension. Again, you might use all three. You might just use two of these. And then there's the where, the entities themselves, locations, and departments. All of these can be combined across your reporting to give you more detailed insights of your data. Let's take a look at how you can use this in Sage Intacct reporting. Jared?
Here we have a family office dashboard, including reports and KPIs that we commonly see across our family office clients. Now at the top, you'll notice different filters we have, whether we're looking at all of our entities or family members, or we could filter and search for specific dimensions or dimension groups. For this example, we could take a look at all of those entities that make up the different generations within the family office. You'll see at the top those KPIs that can be configured for the family. What's important for them to track, trending actuals versus prior periods or versus budget to make sure the family's on target for your key investment goals. Now, the first report, we have our family liquidity showing the different account balances by entity, by family member over time. Looking to the right, we have our breakdown of investments across the different asset classes. And this shows the ability to slice and dice reports by dimensions, or in this case, a dimension group of our assets rolling up to the parent class. Next, we have a standard report, our balance sheet. This time, we've broken out a report to not just show a breakout by our GL accounts, in this case for our cash and cash equivalents group, but scrolling down here, we see the investment breakout across a investment dimension. So we see our balances for each investment value in the system, highlighting the ability to slice and dice by various dimensions in the system. Our next report here is a standard profit and loss. Although this time we've taken a look at our location or entity dimension and broken out the balances across columns to show the individual revenue and expenses for each location with a total there all the way on the right.
So Jared has shown you some straight out of the box reports from Sage Intacct. This example, the private equity roll forward, is an example of a custom dimension report that we created for one of our clients. The rows are the individual private equity funds. Across the columns, you can see the roll forward of your investments with the beginning balance and the types of activities so that you can track and reconcile to an investment aggregator that you might be using. In addition, you could use the vendor field to capture the management fees that you pay to your advisors and compare those as well. So these are just a few examples of ways that you can use Sage Intacct's chart of accounts and dimensions to produce flexible, meaningful reports. If you're already on Sage Intacct and would like to know how to optimize your dimensions, or if you're curious about Sage Intacct and how you can use it in your reporting, we'd love to hear from you.
Feel free to reach out to our emails or on LinkedIn. We'd love to chat with you more about how Sage Intacct can help your family office operate more efficiently and be able to provide more real-time reporting.